Good morning, TC1019, Fall 2016 Fundamentals of Software Engineering. So I'm Ken Bauer, and you're going to be with me for about 16 weeks this semester. Some of you know me, some of you don't. Some of you have taken classes with me. You don't have your class in Blackboard. If you didn't realize, I should be putting a link in there and email blast, although students don't tend to check email. So this is where the site is, kenscourses.com, TC1019, Fall 2016. And actually, if you just go to plain old kenscourses.com, I decided to make kind of a header site there, or a landing site. That course, or your course, is listed here as well as others. I should flesh this list out a little bit more because I've got a bunch of courses I've offered and it was hard to find the right place. So here we are. Let's see if we don't want to look at privacy policy. Let's look at the top level page. So up here. So here's the main page. I'll go over a quick kind of overview of it. Again, you can click on the title here, or actually the image, to get to the main page. There's your page one, which is our contract. You're all not new students at the Tech, I don't think, so you know what a page one is. You should definitely take a look at it. And as you go through it, it's got some information about the course, the layout of the course. This is our standard setup of telling you what our course is about. Read through that. Got some other information in there. And I also ask you to sign this page one to let me know that you've actually seen it, that you've gone over it, and you agree with it. And you should post a tweet. Our tools for standard communication is the course site, which is my WordPress site, your sites, which is your own blog, which could be WordPress, could be Blogger, could be Known, could be anything else that spits out RSS. More details inside the rest of the details of the course here. And so Twitter is your other main communication mechanism, and I've got a link here to post a tweet from yourself to say that you signed the page one. So there's that. The mastery topics, this is the list of course topics that you need to master. Got some information here about the details. It's very open. I want you to look at these 20 topics. Actually, it's 19. The 20th is find your own, choose your own adventure. I want you to look at the practice, the theory, the history, the tools of all of these different types of concepts in software engineering. So go through that. There's some more details there. Evaluation. There's an outline to the evaluation, and it explains my abolish grading policy and how this is all going to work in sort of kind of detail. There's a link to information about partial exam number 1, but I think it's broken right now. Yeah, it is. I need to put that in. And then contact. You should be able to contact me. And policies, privacy and comment policy, not directly important to you, but I put that on all my sites. And there should be a register blog link right here. I need to put that back in as well. So that's the menu overview. And then in the middle, you've got your content. So let's go back to the front page. If you go back to the front page, there's the content. The content will show recent blog posts of mine or yours, actually. I tend to have that continue reading link inside my post so that it just shows an excerpt here. There's only one post, it's just this one. Content from Ken on the left, content from you on the right, and that's where the details get into about publishing your own blog post. I might post about different mastery topics. I might put up some quizzes. I have a weekly video that I'll publish every week, including this one that I'm making right now, and I'll actually embed into this welcome post. And the video is not there. And then you're going to create blogs. You're going to register your blogs with me with the register link that should be on the top. It's linked inside this welcome post. And then there'll be a tag cloud which is generated from your blog post. So that's the gist of it. Let's take a look at this welcome post and then wrap this up. So again, always ask if you have questions. Ask me. Ask your students, your colleagues. My students, your colleagues. And then the bullet points. Read the page one. Take a look at the evaluation page. You can go and look at some information from previous semesters that I have. The mastery topics, create your own WordPress or possibly Known or any other blog that spits out RSS is fine. You should register your blog. There's the link there. I'll put a link at the top of the page as well, or the site. the privacy policy, comments policy again, and then the contact page if you want to find me and contact me. And that's about it. If you've got any comments or questions about any of the pages I produce or posts I put, comments, the real point of a lot of this course is that it's a connected course. I want to create a community of learning amongst you and among me. And have an awesome week and have an awesome semester. I'll see you later this morning.